Hi, as you can see, I'm knocking myself out on the way to Fort Pond. We left New London, I don't know, about 3 hours ago. And we got a nice, fresh 10-knot, 12-knot breeze from the southwest. And sunny, beautiful, temperature's perfect, 80 degrees. Got a good book, and I'm taking it easy. Letting my auto tiller, the main sheet, take over. Doing a good job too. Secret auto tiller steering person. Sometimes reputed to be the navigator from the Pinta. However, this one's probably from the Santa Maria. And we're heading across to the New World in Montauk. Beautiful Fort Pond. And have dinner with Scotty, my old friend, and I think we're having bass, I think, possibly fluke. Good possibility it's fluke. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.